The Arizona Center for Disability Law. Informal school discipline. Withdraw or face discipline. Some schools respond to student misconduct by giving parents an ultimatum. Either voluntarily withdraw your child from the school and agree to not seek re-enrollment in the future, or we will proceed with formal disciplinary proceedings against your child, such as long-term suspension or expulsion. Often, schools present withdrawal as the better option because it means no discipline will go on the student's record. However, when considering this decision, keep in mind the following things. Once a parent voluntarily withdraws their child from a school, that school no longer has an obligation to provide the child with a free, appropriate public education. Remember, even if a child is long-term suspended or expelled, if they have an IEP, they continue to have the right to receive a free, appropriate public education in an alternative setting. This right goes away if the student has been withdrawn. If the school asks you to withdraw your child, consider taking the following self-advocacy steps. Ask the school the following questions. What formal disciplinary action is my child facing? And has the school followed all due process procedures outlined in the school's policy manual? If your child has an IEP or 504 plan, remember that they have the right to an MDR before the discipline proceeds. Parents can challenge the outcome of an MDR through mediation or by requesting an expedited due process hearing. Parents can also request expedited evaluations during a disciplinary period if they think their child may have a qualifying disability but have not yet been identified. Also, ask what will happen if your child is ultimately expelled from the school district. Students with IEPs who are expelled from school must continue to receive the special education and related services they require for a free, appropriate public education. The school that expelled them remains responsible for providing those services, even if the services will be provided in a setting different from their regular classroom. Most public school districts in Arizona allow students to apply for readmission to the district after a set period of time following an expulsion. You should find out what that process looks like for your child's district before disciplinary action is taken. For additional information and resources about school discipline of students with disabilities, please visit ACDL's website at azdisabilitylaw.org. Funding for this video provided by the Arizona Developmental Disabilities Planning Council.